When preparing to buy replacement windows for your home, it can be difficult to decide between the various types of windows on the market. This can be overwhelming for some. In the end, the type of window you need will depend on the type of home you have, the location of the windows on your house, and the style desired. With this in mind, in this video, we summarize the most popular types of replacement windows to make it easy for you when deciding what types of replacement windows you want for your home. Number 1. Single hung windows. Single hung windows are without a doubt the most popular type of replacement windows on the market. These windows are found everywhere and provide great bang for your buck. A single hung window has a bottom sash, also known as a panel, that moves up and down. The upper sash never moves, it stays stationary. When the window is open, the bottom sash slides up and partially obstructs the upper sash. Number 2. Double hung windows. Double hung windows are probably the second most popular type of replacement windows on the market today. A double hung window differs from a single hung window in that there are two movable sashes. Both the top sash and the bottom sash are able to be opened to provide increased airflow and ventilation. Number 3. Awning windows. Awning windows have been around for ages and are still popular among homeowners in the U.S. They are similar to casement windows in design, being that they both only have one sash. But they are unlike casement windows in that they are hinged on the side. Awning windows are hinged on the top. A hand crank is used to open the window horizontally. This design allows homeowners to leave their awning windows open during light rain storms, as the horizontal open will protect the house from getting wet. The design also allows for maximum ventilation without obstructing views. Number 4. Casement windows. Casement windows are simple in construction and very convenient to use. They open and close on a hinge just like a French door. The window frame design is one of the oldest ones and has been tried and tested with all kinds of materials over time. Casement windows open out wide and consequently allow a high degree of ventilation in whichever space they occupy. If you want reliable, fuss-free windows for your home, they are probably your best bet. Number 5. Bay windows. A bay window features 3, and only 3, window openings typically mold at 25 to 45 degree angles. At its core structure, a bay window consists of a picture window with a smaller window on each side. The side windows are usually either casement windows or double hung windows. Each window within the bay window configuration is typically designed to open to allow free-flowing fresh air and plenty natural light. 6. Bow windows. A bow window consists of 4 or more windows generally set at 10 degree angles. The multi-window design is for homeowners that want more sunlight in their house and better views of the outside. Bow windows are typically placed in living and dining rooms. Bow windows allow for a magnificent view from 2 sides of the home. 7. Sliding windows. Sliding windows are designed horizontally with sashes that slide back and forth. Most would say it is like a double hung window turned on its side. The sliding window opens by moving the window sashes to one side or the other. Sliding windows work well on walls where there isn't much vertical height, yet plenty of horizontal space. A sliding window offers a more contemporary look than the traditional colonial-style windows. 8. Picture windows. Picture windows are fixed glass windows that do not open. Their purpose is to give you natural light in the indoors, capture a beautiful view of the outside, and look like a grand frame on your walls imprinted with the scenery of what lies outdoors. They have been a preferred choice for at least one portion of the house by many homeowners over the years. Where you need complete insulation and some sunlight streaming in, picture windows are your best bet. Owing to their fixed window glass, they insulate better than most other window types. Pro Replacement Windows specializes in helping homeowners find the perfect replacement windows for your home at the best possible prices. To get a free instant quote for replacement windows, please visit us at proreplacementwindows.com today.